Welcome! Today we're answering a quick practical question about mini boilers and where to install the steam gauge. Here's the question. Where is the steam gauge installed on a mini boiler? Choice A is 100 PSIG. Choice B is on the steam space side. Choice C is the soot blower. Choice D is the professional engineer or the architect. Let's visualize a simplified mini boiler. Here is the boiler vessel, and this top portion represents the steam space. We place the steam gauge on the steam space side so that it reads the pressure of the steam, not the water. The correct answer is choice B, on the steam space side. This follows the standard that the steam gauge must be in the steam space, so it senses the vapor pressure directly. Choices A, C, and D do not satisfy the rule being tested, so they are incorrect. Now you know that the steam gauge is installed on the steam space side, which lets the gauge sense the actual steam pressure. Thanks for watching, and keep asking practical questions like this one.